Yes, welcome back today. So today what we are going to do, we are going to go through the streamlining of user and group management using Active Directory. So the first thing we are going to do is we are going to go to our VirtualBox. Yeah, so this is our machine, and I'm going to show you how we created all these activities using the Active Directory users and computers. And first of all, we had created organizations unit, and it was the server. We created organization units as we are going to see. So we are going to go in our Active Directory users and computers, and some of the organizations that we created were employees, as you can see. We had HR here, and we had IT, management, research, stakeholders, accounting, auditors. These are some of the organization units that we created. And then we created even some users. So the users, we created them and then we dispersed them in different organizations units. Some of the users that we created, so we can go to HR, and you can see HR has some user, is called Sarah. And then we can also go to research. Research also has Ted and Phil. And then we can go to stakeholders. Stakeholders has Dean, Spencer and Tim. You can also go to IT and check. We have Mataf and IT. Management. Management, we have Frank, Janine and Paul. Stakeholders, I think we're done. Auditors, we have Bruce and Sally. Then accounting, Guy and Stefan. So those are some of the users that we had created. So the next thing that we did was NTFS. So we created our folders, and then we granted permission to members of, this is our folder. It is called Promised Land, and it contains some subfolders of accounting, IT, management. Yes, so we created these folders, and then we gave permission to specific people, as you can see. So like in this one, we gave Guy and Stefan, we gave them full control over this folder. As you can see, they have full control. So let's go to auditors and see. In auditors, we didn't give anyone, auditors, we also gave some people full control. As you can see, these are some of the permissions. And due to time, I'm not going to go through each and every thing that we did. And then there was a question that asked that what is EFS and how is it used? How is EFS used? So EFS refers to an encryption system, and this system helps in encrypting files so that specific groups of people can use that file. It's meant to hide this file from people who are not authorized to access it, and it is used in a way like how we created in accounting. We had like an employee payroll text file, and then you can see that it's encrypted. So you can see we went to properties, and we went to advanced. So we checked the encrypt files, and and then you can see only the administrators can access this file. So encryption hides these sort of files from people who are not meant to who are not authorized to access these files. Yeah, so that is some of the few things that we equipped. And then there was another question that was asking another question that was asking what is BitLocker. BitLocker is a full disk encryption feature in Windows, including Windows Server, that protects data by encrypting entire drives. It prevents unauthorized access to data even if the physical drive is stolen. Yeah, so that's what BitLocker does, and it's done. It encrypts the file on hard disks, so that when it is stolen, the hacker can still gain access to your stuff. So that has been our some of. So there's another question that was asking about the soft wipe and then the hard wipe. This is going to be our last, and so there's some key differences from the soft wipe. The soft wipe deletes files but does not remove them permanently, while the hard wipe completely erases data, making it unrecoverable. And in soft wipe, these files were recycled in quick format or basic file deletion, while the hard drives overwrites data multiple times using secure erasable techniques. So those are some of the few differences between the software and then the hardware wipes. And due to time, I have to stop here.